Anand is a nice boy. He was born the year 1986. Today he is 29 years old. And as a child, he is the first son and we loved him a lot.
With Anand, it's actually very great. Once he entered his engineering days, we came closer. Day by day, we came closer. We got closer. We have had a lot of cat fights during our young age.
He can crack a joke at any time. He can make you laugh. He is very spontaneous. And in some situations where you need to be serious, he is also like he adapts to the situation very well.
Usually before a marriage, the guys especially, we get together and have like chill out parties.
During college days also, he was put into one college. He didn't like it. So he said, no, I can't continue my studies with this environment. Then of course he forced us to change. We had to change his college. And thereafter he became a bit serious in his studies.
A very decent personality, and when it comes to just helping people, he's too generous. He never thinks about it, whether he can do it or he cannot do it, but he will say yes and he will do it.
You know, Anand is one of the reasons for both of us to be together here today. And we are the reason that Anand and Radha are there together today.
And he was always telling us, Daddy, don't take tension, Mommy, don't take tension. Even today he is the same. When it came to his marriage also, he was always telling, you don't have to take tension about us. We'll do it.
So we love you Anand, we love you Radha, and Radha, she's a very wonderful person to be with. I know Anand and Radha will be very happy together. Both of them will definitely bond up and they will be happy ever after. God bless both of you and I love you both.
स्पेशली राधा मेरे लिए एक लड़की नहीं है, एक बेटा है जो उसका नेचर बोलूँ तो बहुत शांत है और कभी कभी जब मैं स्टॉप हो जाती हूँ तो मुझे मोटिवेट करती है, कभी रुकने नहीं देती है.
She is very caring, loving and वो सिचुएशन को बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ सकती है. कि दीदी को डांस बहुत अच्छा लगता है and she is very beautiful, तो she loves photography, dancing, गाना भी गा लेती है.
पूरी फैमिली में राधा यही नाम है क्योंकि वो किसी को कोई चीज़ के लिए ना नहीं बोलती है.
She is very, very, very understanding as a person and I hope you guys be together forever and ever.
बुरा लग रहा है कि वो हमें छोड़ के जा रही है क्योंकि वो एक ही है हमारे घर में जो हम मुझसे इतना कन्वर्सेशन और बातें करती है, मस्ती करती है. तो वो चली जाएगी तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बहुत खुश हूँ कि आनंद जैसा उसको हस्बैंड मिला है और भैया, अम्मा, जयश्री, रवि एंड उसकी पूरी फैमिली. बहुत मैं खुश हूँ कि ऐसी हैप्पी फैमिली खुशी है उनकी पूरी फैमिली में. और अम्मा तो उसको देखती रहती है और बहुत लाड करती है.
She came over once, we met her. We found her to be a really very decent and nice girl. Though we were wrong about saying that they are from the different community. Then we changed our mind. We said no. I think what Anand has taken decision is good. Is always good for the family. So again, we accepted for the proposal, and that's how it eventually into matter. Radha is a nice girl. I'm sure she will keep him happy and keep us also in a happy life. Thank you.
It's the most special day of my life.
Today being the 4th of June, I got married to Radha. And if you see, the story goes about 8-9 months ago.
It was a birthday party of a friend. So he was my Jiju's friend, so he came.
And there was everybody dancing and partying, enjoying the birthday and all these things. And there happened to be this girl Radha, whom I saw for the first time. She was just sitting, feeling very relaxed, and I approached her, tried talking to her, but at first she kind of ignored me.
And we saw each other. We started dating each other.
And then we again kept meeting because she happens to be one of our common friends' sister.
It took 8 months, 8-9 months to know each other.
Maybe in the month of September or something, that is when I thought like, okay, maybe we can get into a relationship. And I asked her out, and she took about a week's time to get back to me. But in the end, the answer was a yes, so we were very happy. Then parents came into picture, and family backgrounds, different backgrounds. It reminded us of the very famous movie Two States, because it's two different cultures coming together, a Gujarati girl and a Iyengar Tamilian boy.
I got the family who supports me a lot. They love me.
The families were very supportive, and more than that, Radha she is very patient and very understanding. And I don't think I have met anybody so understanding and who can understand me so well.
I have never met such a person in my life. He's very caring, loyal.
And thanks to her for being a part of my life, and I'm very happy to be with her. She is simply awesome. Thank you.
हम भी चल दिए So we are already married, and I'm really happy about it. Like, you know, everything ended up so well, and the saying what ends well continues well.
चांद की परी है कोई ख्वाब या नजर आया, हुस्न का फरिश्ता कैसा मेरे रूबरू आया। होली से बहारें जैसे आ गई वीरानों में, पंछियों की मीठी बोली खुल गई तरानों में, जिंदगी को मेरी 7 रंग यूं मिल गए हैं, तारे हजारों नैनों में खिल गए। ओरे मेरे साथियों, जाने कैसे कब ये।
So I hope, look forward to a very, I'm really excited to spend the rest of my life with her, and it's going to be a very adventurous journey, I guess.
पवन में आज तेरी ही खुशबू है, जुल्फों जैसी काली छाई है